the second highest volcano in Indonesia. A mountain that has always been everyone's dream, boasting breathtaking natural beauty. Known as a paradise in the eastern part of Indonesia. This is Rinjani Mountain. In ancient times, Rinjani was known as a primordial mountain called Mount Samalas. Mount Samalas stood as the highest peak in Nusa Tenggara, reaching an altitude of 5,000 meters above sea level. The eruption of Mount Samalas is what once shook the world climate. From this eruption, the mountain that we call Rinjani Mountain rose. Behind the beauty of Rinjani Mountain lie struggles and challenges that must be faced, such as traversing the scorching savanna plains, endless ascents, and the grueling test at the summit, commonly known as the letter E. Rinjani is known as a luxurious mountain, where you'll find delicious food and comfortable beds if you choose the right company.
Where would you say
Let's do this.
Let's do this. And I brought you to the 1,000-star hotel.
Okay.
No more 5-star, 1,000-star.
1,000-star hotel, yes.
Up like 2 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we will now go to the summit.
Yeah.
So from here, so like normally, so like 3.5 hours.
Okay.
So you have to walk slow because it's today I feel very tired.
Oh, he's
he's
strong.
Cold.
So must to walk slow. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you are not very tired, so you can stop for a few minutes like this today.
Okay. Yeah.
That's much better for alien.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope when you ride to the summit, so like less than 6 o'clock before the sunrise.
Okay.
So, and then after that, so maybe you rest in the top, so like 25 minutes or half an hour.
Okay.
And then after the see the view, take photo or something, and then
Come down.
go down to the crater.
Okay.
So because our forest stay here.
Yes.
When you ride here, so breakfast already, and then after breakfast you rest like 25 minutes or half an hour, and then continue down to Sembalun village.
Just with you, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Make sure you bring chocolate to the top. Okay.
So maybe you need question for?
Nope. Nope, let's do this. Okay.
Let's do it. Okay.
This is the toughest part of trekking Rinjani Mountain. Heading towards the summit, walking in the dark of night, along sandy paths and endless ascents. No wonder many fail to set foot on Rinjani's peak.
Just resting.
Are you okay?
Feeling good, feeling strong.
Good.
But after overcoming these obstacles, there's the beautiful sunrise on the eastern edge of Rinjani Mountain.
It's now 7:40 in the morning,
Yes.
and we made it to the top at 6 o'clock.
Yes, just in time for sunrise.
Was it good?
Yes, but it was very cold.
Very cold. How did it feel walking up this scree stuff?
Painful.
What was the hardest thing about it?
I kept sliding down.
And you can slide down again on the way down.
Hopefully, yes.
Okay. How did it feel to reach the top?
Cold
Cold.
and tired.
Sense of accomplishment?
A bit.
Okay.
A little bit.
Is this the highest you've ever been in your life in the world?
Yes.
There you go.
A
That
little-
you made up on your own 2 feet, right?
Yes.
So you're proud?
Yes.
Okay. Good job.
Yay.
Behind the success of trekking Rinjani Mountain guides and porters play an important role. Porters carry up to 20 kilograms, while guides bear significant responsibilities. They continue walking tirelessly, hoping to earn a living for their small families.